Troy-Bilt 30-inch mower dealing with not even a crank, nothing. It's not getting anything. Let me show you. So when I turned the key, nothing was happening. Did a whole bunch of looking and diagnosing, and I tested all the switches and bypassed switches just to test them out. And I came around here and kind of moved some of this grass around, and I noticed a little switch right there, and it was popped, and it was underneath this mulching, or well, this chute. And once I put that on properly, which I'll have to fix it properly now she cranks. So that must be missed by quite a bit. I'm gonna have to remember that. Safety switches, man, they're everywhere.